Hello guys! Welcome sa ating z-knowledgeTV.
Okay. So, sa ating last video, napag-aralan natin yung definition at saan ginagamit, paano kuhanin ang implicit differentiation. Okay? So, in this video, i-continue lang natin yung ating natalakay sa ating part 1. Okay? So, dito sa video to, magbibigay pa tayo ng ilan pang mga halimbawa sa pag-compute ng ating implicit differentiation. Okay? So, let's start.
So, lahat ng ito ay pag-aaralan natin dito sa ating tutorial. Pero, before tayo mag-start, don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa mga next videos. So, let's get started.
Okay. So, paano naman kapag ganito yung ating equation? So, if x cubed plus y raised to 5 minus 5xy is equal to 0, find y prime. Okay. So, sa pag-solve ng equation na to using implicit differentiation, so gagawin natin, di-differentiate lang natin by term. Okay? So, every term, i-differentiate natin. So, differentiate o derivative ng x cubed ay 3x squared. Okay? Plus, differentiate ng y raised to 5 is 5y raised to 4. Tama? Pero, lagi siyang may katabing y prime. Okay? Then, minus, differentiate ng 5xy. So, nakita natin na um, product sila ng x and y. So, therefore, gagamit tayo ng product rule. So, yung constant, separate natin o factor out natin. Okay? So, differentiate ng x muna. So, copy lang natin si y. So, differentiate ng x is 1. Okay? So, plus, as is naman natin is x. So, differentiate ng y is y prime. Okay? So, is equal to 0. So, distribute natin. So, magiging 3x squared plus 5 raised to 4 y prime minus 5y minus 5x y prime is equal to 0. So, pagsamahin natin yung may y prime. Then, yung iba, ilipat natin sa kabilang side. So, dito sa side na to, sa left side, matitira to si 5y raised to 4 y prime minus 5x y prime is equal to, so yung 3x lipat natin sa kabila, so minus 3x squared, then yung minus 5y lipat natin, plus 5y. Okay? Then, factor out natin. So, ilabas natin si y prime, matitira is 5y raised to 4 minus 5x is equal to, so arrange natin to. So, para maganda lang tignan, so 5y minus 3x squared. Then, divide by 5y raised to 4 minus 5x. Okay? Then, cancel na to. Then, ang natira is y prime is equal to 5y minus 3x squared over 5y raised to 4 minus 5x. Okay? So, this will be our answer para kay y prime. Okay, next. So, find the slope of the curve x cubed plus y raised to 5 minus 3xy minus 2x squared is equal to negative 3 at point 1, 1. So, kapag ganito yung equation natin, o yung problem natin, so, slope ang hinahanap. Okay? So, ang meaning pa ng slope is derivative. Okay? So, therefore, so, kukuha na lang natin ng derivative or ng y prime. Okay? So, derivative natin itong equation na to. So, mangyari, 3x squared plus 5y raised to 4 y prime. Okay? Minus 3. So, derivative ng x is 1. So, y na lang matitira. Minus, plus muna, yung y naman ng i-derivative natin. So, mangyari, x, y prime. Okay? Then, minus 4x na lang. Kasi yung 2, pag nilagay natin doon, so 2 times 2. So, kaya 4. Okay? Then, equals to, derivative ng negative 3 is 0. Okay? So, dito, may nakuha tayong y prime. So, sabi nga natin kanina, itong si slope, siya yung derivative natin. Okay? Siya yung derivative natin. Or, in terms of x, is dy over dx. Okay? So, pwede natin i-substitute itong point natin kasi ang point natin is at yung x, then at yung y. Or, pwedeng gawin natin, so, arrange muna natin. Okay? So, distribute natin itong part na to. So, mangyayari, 3x squared plus 5y raised to 4 y prime minus 3y minus 3xy prime minus 4x is equal to 0. So, pagsama natin yung may y prime. So, mangyayari, 5y raised to 4 y prime minus 3xy prime is equal to, lipat natin yung the rest sa kabilang side. So, mangyayari is 4x plus 3y minus 3x squared. Okay? Then, factor out natin yung y prime. So, magiging 5y raised to 4 minus 3x is equal to 4x plus 3y minus 3x squared. Then, divide both sides natin by 5y raised to 4 minus 3x. Okay? So, para makancel natin to at maiwan natin nag-iisa yung y prime. So, matitira is y prime is equal to 4x plus 3y minus 3x squared over 5y raised to 4 minus 3x. Okay? Then, saka natin substitute yung point natin na 1, 1. Okay? So, yung 1 na to is x, then another 1 na to is y. So, substitute natin ito. So, mangyari, magiging y prime is equal to 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 1 then squared over 5 multiplied by 1 raised to 4 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Okay, then matitira is, so 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 3 is 4 over, so 5 times 1 is 5 minus 3 is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so therefore, ang sagot natin sa slope is 2. Okay? So, next. Paano naman kapag ganito equation? If 4c squared theta t is equal to theta squared minus t squared squared, find d theta over dt. Okay. So, ang kukuhanin natin talaga dito is derivative ng theta in terms or with respect to t. Okay? And then, si C, i-assume natin as constant. Okay? So, derivative natin. So, derivative nito, so, di ba, C is constant, so, therefore, parang constant na rin itong part na to. Okay? So, ilabas muna natin siya, or as is muna natin. Okay? Then, ito naman yung i-derivative natin. So, magka-product sila, so, product rule gamit natin. So, as is muna natin si T, then derivative ng theta is d theta. Okay? Over dt. Or pwedeng gawin nyo, huwag nyo na to in terms na ganito. Theta prime na lang gamitin nyo. Pwede naman yon. Okay? So, anyway, so d theta over dt. Okay? Then, plus, so as is naman si theta, so t naman. Derivative ng t, since gumagamit tayo ng with respect ng dt, so derivative ng t is 1 dt. So 1 times dt is still dt. Okay? Is equal to, so dito, pwede nyo gawin, i-distribute nyo muna. Okay? Pahabain nyo muna. Or pwede naman, gamitin nyo na ng direct na differentiation. Okay? So, mangyari, magiging 2 tapos theta squared minus t squared tapos 1 na lang yon. Tama? Pero, need natin derivative pa itong nasa loob. Okay? So, derivative ng theta squared is, so, kailangan i-multiply yan. So, magyari is 2 theta times, ano ba? D theta over dt. So, parang ito yung prime. Okay? So, minus. So, derivative naman ng t squared is 2t. Okay? So, kunan pa tayo ng isa pang parenthesis doon. Okay? So, ito is assume mo natin na 1 lang. Huwag natin siya lagyan ng dt. Okay? So, 1 lang yun. So, theta times 1 is theta. Okay, next. Distribute natin. So, mangyari, 4c squared t d theta over dt, okay, plus 4c squared theta is equal to, so, ang gawin mo natin is, ito. Okay, so, magiging 2 theta squared minus 2t squared. Okay, then, multiply natin siya dito. So, 2 theta d theta over dt minus 2t. Okay, then distribute natin. So, dito muna. Tapos, saka ito. Okay, so itong kabilang side, as is muna yan. So, mangyari is 4 theta cube d theta over dt minus 4 theta squared t. Then ito naman, minus 4 theta t squared d theta over dt. Then plus 4t cube. Okay, then saka natin sulat yung itong nasa kabilang side. Okay, then pagsama natin yung may mga d theta over dt. So, itong part na to, iwan natin siya dito. So, 4c squared theta minus to. So, pag nilito sa kabila is magiging plus 4 theta squared t minus 4t cubed is equal to 4 theta cubed d theta over dt minus 4 theta t squared d theta over dt minus 4c squared t d theta over dt. Okay, so ito yun nilipat na sa kabilang side. Okay, then pansin nyo lahat sila is may 4. So, pwede natin silang tanggalin. Okay, so divisible lahat kasi sila by 4. So, divide natin both side by 4. So, mangyari, parang cancel na lang yung mga 4 natin. Okay, then matitira dito is c squared theta plus theta squared t minus t cubed is equal to, so, ilabas natin yung d theta over dt. So, magiging d theta over dt. So, matitira is theta cube minus theta t squared minus c squared t. Okay, so divide both sides natin by theta cube minus theta t squared minus c squared t. So, para makancel yun at maiwan nag-iisa yung d theta over dt. So, therefore, ang d theta over dt natin is equal to c squared theta plus theta squared t minus t cube over theta cube minus theta t squared minus c squared t. Okay, so this will be our answer. Okay, so next. So how about this equation? So find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of x squared y squared minus xy plus x is equal to 1 at point 1, 1. So again, pag sinabing slope, so ito yung derivative or yung, so ito yung first derivative o yung tinatawag natin na y prime. Okay? So, yung 1, 1, ito yung point natin na x, y. So, kapag nakuha natin yung y prime, saka natin i-substitute yung x and y. Okay? So, derivative mo natin itong equation natin. So, x squared, y squared, since na product sila, so, gagamit tayo ng product rule. So, unahin natin si derivative ng x squared. So, matitira is 2x y squared. Okay? So, 2xy squared. Then, plus, yung x squared naman ng as is natin. So, magiging 2x squared. So, y prime. Okay? Then, minus y plus x y prime. Plus, derivative ng x is 1 is equal to 0. Derivative kasi ng constant is 0. So, again, so dito, pwede nyo na i-direct substitute yung x and y natin. Pero kung ayaw nyo pa, gusto nyo munang kuhanin yung y prime, so pwede naman. So, kuhanin natin ng y prime. Okay, so since na ito is negative, so ito lang yung pwede nating distribute. Kasi ito, pwede naman natin alisin na directly yung parenthesis. Okay, so magiging 2x y squared plus 2x squared y prime. Kasi positive lang naman sila. Okay, kaya pwede nang tanggalin lang yung parenthesis. Pero dito, since na may negative siya, so kailangan distribute yun. So, minus y minus x, y prime. So, equals. So, itong 1, lipat mo sa kabila. So, magiging minus 1. Okay? So, yan. Pagsamahin natin yung may y prime. So, 2x squared y prime, minus x, y prime. Then, minus 1. So, in the rest, lipat natin dito sa kabilang side. So, minus 2xy squared plus y. Okay? Then, factor out natin yung y prime. So, matitira is 2x squared y minus x. So, may 1 is minus 1 minus 2xy squared plus y. So, divide both sides natin by 2x squared y minus x. Okay? So, cancel na to. Naiwan natin nag-isa yung y prime. So, ang y prime natin is minus 1 minus 2. Then, yung x natin, pwede natin palitan. Okay? Magiging 1 na yun. 1 din yun. Pero naka-squared plus 1. Over 2. 1 squared, 1 minus 1. Okay? So, ito negative 1 plus 1. So, pwede natin ito i-cancel. So, may iwan is minus 2 times 1 squared is minus 2 pa rin. Over 2 times 1 squared is 2 times 1, 2 pa rin. Minus 1 is 1. Okay? So, therefore, ang y prime natin is negative 2. Kaya naman, equal dito sa ating slope na hinahanap. Okay? So, ito yung ating sagot. Okay, so next. So, find the general formula y second prime of x raised to n plus y raised to n is equal to a raised to n. Okay? So, gawin natin, i-derivative lang natin. Okay, by term. So, assume natin si a is constant. Okay, then si n, siya yung parang exponent lang naman. So, therefore, yung yung derivative ng x raised to n is parang normal lang. Okay, normal differentiation lang. So, mangyari, bababa mo yung n, then multiply mo pa rin siya sa x, kaso yung n na exponent, minus 1. Okay, then, plus, dito rin, same lang din. So, bababa mo yung n, then multiply mo pa rin siya sa y, then yung n na exponent, minus 1 din, kaya lang, didikitan mo siya ng y prime. Okay, equals, derivative ng constant is 0. Okay, so therefore, kunin natin yung y prime. So, magiging n raised to n minus 1 y prime is equal to, ipat mo tong x na to sa kabilang side, so minus n x raised to n minus 1. So, divide both sides by n y raised to n minus 1. So, para makasal yun, then naiwan natin is y prime. So, equals, so ito, cancel out na tong n. Okay? So, therefore, ang natira sa atin is negative x raised to n minus 1 over y raised to n minus 1. So, ito yung y prime natin. So, pag sabi kasi yung y double prime, second derivative yan. So, therefore, i-derivative mo yung first derivative natin. Okay? So, ito naman ang sunod nating i-derivative. So, quotient yung gagawin nating rule. So, derivative ng y prime is y second prime. Okay, so sa quotient rule, gagawin natin, copy mo natin yung denominator, y raised to n minus 1, then multiplied by derivative ng numerator. Okay, so ibaba natin itong n minus 1. So, n minus 1, then multiplied by x pa rin, then n minus 1, minus 1 pa. Okay? So, yun na yun. Then, minus. So, copy naman natin si numerator. So, x raised to n minus 1, then derivative ng denominator. So, derivative ng denominator is n minus 1 times y, n minus 1, minus 1 din. Pero, kakabitan natin siya ng y prime. Okay? Over. So, squared natin yung denominator. So, y raised to n minus 1 squared. Okay? And then, next na gagawin natin is i-factor out natin itong n minus 1. Okay, kasi pares naman silang may n minus 1. So, mangyari, y double prime minus n minus 1 over, tas ito, lagay lang din natin siya sa denominator. So, y, magiging 2n minus 2 na siya. Tama? Kasi, factor lang naman tong dalawang exponent natin. So, 2 times n minus 2 times 1. Kaya, naging 2n minus 2. Okay? Then, so, ano mga natira dito sa numerator? Kasi, since na nilabas natin itong n minus 1, so, ang matitira is y n minus 1 x n minus 2. Okay? Minus x n minus 1 y n minus 2. Okay? Multiplied by negative x n minus 1 over y n minus 1. Okay? Kasi itong y prime, okay, y prime to ito yun, di ba? So, pinilitan lang natin. Okay, para mawala yung y prime sa ating equation. Okay? So, next. So, mangyari, y double prime is equal to minus n minus 1 over y raised to 2n minus 2. Okay? Multiplied by y n minus 1 x n minus 2. Then plus x raised to 2n minus 2 y raised to negative 1. Okay? So, gumagamit na lang tayo ng properties ng exponent. Okay? So, kaya tayo nag-come up sa ganitong form. So, simplify pa natin. So, itong part na to is magiging minus n minus 1 y raised to 1 x raised to n minus 2 over y raised to 2n minus 2. Okay? Then, multiply natin ng y raised to n plus x raised to n. Okay? So, therefore, ang final answer natin is y double prime is equal to minus n minus 1 a raised to n multiplied by x raised to n minus 2. Okay? So, saan galing naman itong a raised to n natin? Ito yun, di ba? So, itong part na to, okay, itong part na to is galing naman siya sa ating pinaka-equation. Okay? So, pinilitan lang natin. Okay, over yung ating denominator na y raised to 2n minus 2. Okay, so minus 1 na lang pala. Kasi nga, tinanggal natin siya dito kay y raised to negative 1. Okay, kasi diba itong denominator, naging ganito lang natin siya. Y raised to 2n minus 1 multiplied by y raised to 1 pa. So, itong dalawa yung nag-cancel out. Okay? So, final answer natin is itong part na to. Okay, so next. So, find the slope of the tangent line to the curve x squared minus 3y squared plus 2xy is equal to 9 at point 32. Okay? So, same lang to nung previous nating equation. So, ang slope is yung ating y prime or yung ating dy over dx. So, therefore, kukuha natin sila ng y prime. So, derivative ng x squared is 2x minus derivative ng 3y squared is 6y y prime. Lagi natin didikitan ng y prime. Okay? Plus, factor muna natin yung 2. Then, derivative ng x is 1. So, matitira is y. Plus, yung x naman ng assist natin, derivative ng y is y prime. Is equal to 0. Okay? Then, distribute natin to. So, magiging 2x minus 6y y prime plus 2y plus 2x y prime is equal to 0. So, iwan natin itong may y prime. Magiging 2x y prime minus 6y y prime is equal to, lipat natin yung the rest. So, magiging minus 2x minus 2y. Okay, then factor out natin si y prime. So, magiging 2x minus 6y is equal to negative 2x minus 2y. So, divide both sides by 2x minus 6y. 2x minus 6y para makancel to at may 1 nag-iisa yung y prime. So, therefore, ang y prime natin is minus 2. Okay, so pwede natin i-substitute itong point natin na 3, 2. Minus 2 multiplied by yung x natin is 3. Minus 2, yung y natin is 2. Over 2 times yung x natin na 3. Minus 6, then yung y natin na 2. Okay, then minus 2 times 3 is negative 6. Minus 4. Over 6 minus 12. So, magiging minus 10 over negative 6. So, cancel na itong negative sign natin. So, lowest term ng 10 over 6 is 5 over 3. Okay? So, therefore, ang slope natin o yung tinatawag natin na y prime ay 5/3. Okay? So, next. So, if x raised to 1/2 plus y raised to 1/2 is equal to a raised to 1/2, find y double prime. So, the question, could you able to answer this? Okay, so if yes, please comment your answer. Okay, so dito na nagtatapos yung ating discussion para kay implicit differentiation. Okay, so para sa other pang video natin about differential calculus, so stay tuned lang sa ating channel. So maraming salamat.